guys, so we're heading on over to Madrid Skateboards to pick up the new Out of Time decks. A lot of skateboard stuff happening this year. We got the new Valterras, the Fingerboards, and we've got the Valterra variants as well. So those will be coming out October 21st is the official date, but today we're getting the Out of Time decks. So it's always fun doing a real world pickup in the DeLorean. Nice sunny day today. Perfect for a skateboard pickup. So definitely have to plug the new DeLoreanTECH variant of the Marty Valterra skateboards. Limited edition to 88, and those are going to be the stainless steel exclusives from Madrid. So you can get those at DeLoreanTECH.com. They'll be available in the hover mode, which is the deck only, and the roads mode, which is a full complete skateboard. And pre-order those today. They'll be shipping on October 21st. Again, limited edition of 88. Hey guys, we just got to Madrid. We're gonna go ahead and take a look at these Out of Time boards. I don't know what to expect. I'm expecting something really cool. They do have sort of random deck stains, so different colors like orange and blue and I think green and like red and stuff. So you can't actually pick which color you get, although I did try to get a certain color for a certain friend of mine. Anyway, let's take a look inside. All right, here we go. I like this motorcycle I got parked in the front. This is pretty sick. All right, so here we are. We're gonna check these things out. I've got a stack of fresh boards somewhere around here, hopefully, right?
Carlos, where's the Out of Time deck? The Out of Time deck. Where Out of Time?
Are we out of the Out of Time decks?
Bro, right here?
It's like a maze in this place. A maze of skateboards. Oh, you're over here. All right, cool. Dude, sick. Whole bunch, man. Can I get one?
Hold on 1 second. I think they packed yours already, but...
Oh, did they? Okay. So we can get an orange one, at least an orange one. Don't really care about the other colors, although pink would be kind of neat because of the hoverboard, right?
How's this? Let's open your box.
Let's do it. Dude, these are actually, they vary, man, quite a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool. I mean, different sizes and stuff.
Yeah.
So 8.75, 8.25, 8-inch. What did I order? These are like unfinished ones right here or what? Yeah, there we go. Look at this place. It smells so good in here.
DeLoreanTECH right here.
All right, so that's all of them?
That's all of them.
Oh, no way, dude. Yeah. Unboxing video.
Yes, let's do it over here.
Yeah.
Let's unbox these.
All right, here we go, guys. The unboxing video of the Out of Time skateboard decks here in Madrid.
Easy. Did you get any,
one of each color, it almost looks like. If you can kind of look at the sides.
Green, there you go.
Yeah, look at that.
Good.
Tear it open, man. Come on. Unbox these things.
It's yours. Tear
them open, man. Let's do this, man. I'm holding this camera. Come on, man. Help me out.
You've done this before.
You always wear that Buffalo Bills hat, don't you?
That's right.
Every day?
That's right, baby.
I can tell. Here we go. Oh, nice. Got the pink, got the orange, got the blue. Dude, got the blue. Got the blue and the blue. All right, cool. These ones are perfect. Oh, look at that. Look at that. I like that. 1985.
Yeah.
And then, of course, the year that we're in now. Cool. October. Dude, this is sick. Look at that. Is there any Easter eggs or anything on this thing?
I don't know.
Just wondering.
Diego, did you put any Easter eggs in this? Out of Time? No.
Nothing.
It's the first one.
First issue? Yeah.
Doesn't need one.
Doesn't need one. Okay, makes sense. The stain.
Yeah.
That's a full stain. These are stickers, right?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. And this is a sticker that's kind of floating in there, right?
Yeah. Yep.
Okay.
You guys could.
You can use that. So this is not on the board right here, as you can kind of tell.
Yeah.
You kind of can't move it around, but it's in there. But this is an extra sticker that you can have. All these extra stickers that they come with, you can put on the board, or you can just keep the board sort of blank. This one here is actually applied right here, this Madrid sticker that goes across. And Alex here has brought out the little fingerboards. Sort of the official, what is this, like a prototype or something?
Yeah, prototype.
Okay, let's check that out. Okay, that's pretty cool.
See, it's like real pressed wood, you know. It's like,
oh yeah, nice.
Trucks and wheels.
So these are like, this is like a prototype or something, because you're gonna have the sticker on the front.
Yeah.
And the
grip tape.
The grip tape, yeah. And this one has the wheels on it.
Yes.
This is just a prototype.
And real trucks too.
No
it's not
way.
plastic, so
No
it's
way.
like $25.
scale trucks on that thing. Look at that.
FullCircleDistribution.com.
There you go.
I just want to, like I said,
that.
we're getting our first order.
These are what scale are these again?
I told you it was like 1/10, right?
1/10 scale? Okay, so they're perfect for the Tomy.
Yeah. Remember?
Ooh, yeah.
So
I brought my Tomy. We should bring it here.
Yeah, bring your Tomy.
Let me go get it.
We can scale it.
All right, so we got the Tomy out, and we got the Madrid Fingerboard. It scales perfect, man. Now you got to do a 1/6 scale.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool. Hey, let's put Einie on the board.
So you need a 1/6 scale?
Yeah, there we go. 1/6. Yeah, do it. All right, so you got Einstein on the board, on the fingerboard here. So you got to get one of these fingerboards. This is a legit
You mean this?
fingerboard. Oh, dude. Is that a 1/6?
Yeah.
That thing's big, man. I don't know about 1/6. It could be.
It's 1/6.
Is that 1/6? Come on.
1/5 or 1/6?
Might be one. This might be quarter scale.
No.
Yeah, this might be quarter.
It's 1/6.
1, 2, 3, 4. Quarter scale.
Perfect, right?
Okay, get it?
You get it?
Oh, that thing's cool, man. It glides too, man. It like totally glides. This is cool.
See? It's like actual trucks that you put in there.
Yeah, that's cool.
The wheels actually come off and all that.
Now, is this like a finished final prototype?
Yeah, and it comes with the copers.
And you can take the stuff off
Yeah,
and just
yeah.
kind of build your own.
Yeah,
oh, that's
see?
cool, man. The copers.
The copers.
Yeah,
and
the
stuff.
white copers.
The white
This
copers.
is like screen accurate, right?
Yeah.
About as screen accurate
Yes,
as you can get for 10 scale.
Yeah.
1/6 scale will probably be about just a little bit bigger than this.
So there's
There it is,
250
guys.
left.
Gotta get one. We're totally playing with these. This is so cool.
Put them in the right one.
So we'll just unbox this thing here. There he is.
There he is.
Einie. Go for it, Einie. Come on, Einie. To see the fog effect, because that's like the coolest thing when it comes to the Tomy. Besides just the overall look of this thing, right? There it goes, guys.
Oh, man.
The fog effect. Gotta love it. You can totally like put it, display it like inside the DeLorean like that. It's like perfect.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So Jerry, what do you think about the new Out of Time decks, man? How do you think they came out, man? Pretty awesome?
Great. They came out great. The artwork is perfect. The detail is incredible.
Yeah, no, I agree. I like the staining, man. I like the stain. How many different colors do we have available?
I'm not
It's like
sure.
half a dozen or
It's all
so?
sorted.
It just, and it varies too,
Yeah,
right?
it varies, yeah.
It varies,
It varies,
yeah. So
so-
no two are really the same, right?
Yeah. Some of them.
It's pretty
They're
cool.
like, but the stains are all like, you know.
Yeah, they're all unique.
Yes.
Yeah, that's so
The
cool.
stains come out different on it. Really do.
So I like this one because it looks kind of like a hoverboard.
Yeah.
You could probably put some hoverboard
Are you
stickers
keeping
on the
the pink
front.
one?
I don't know. I might keep that one for myself. I know the orange one is going to my buddy Carlos, who showed up at the event. The two blue ones will probably go to Edwin and Justin. And we got the orange one here too. Yeah. There we go.
There we go.
Nice. Yeah, gotta love it. All right, guys. So we have the Out of Time boards in hand here. They came out really awesome, as you can see. All sorts of different colors. I think I even saw like a green one in there. So it might be about 4 colors if I recall correctly. Something like that. So these are really cool. So definitely get one of these. They're available to ship now. So you can set up your DeLorean to display these things, obviously, in all sorts of different ways. I thought this was kind of cool here on the louvers. So here's a comparison between the pink version of the Out of Time board and the hoverboard. As you can see, somewhat similar, right? I definitely think that you could probably put some stickers on here to make it sort of look like a hoverboard. You almost have the right colors on the stickers already. Guys, we're gonna go ahead and wrap things up. Thanks again for watching, and all right, guys, we're gonna wrap this video up. Thanks again for watching, and stay tuned for more from Madrid Skateboards.